Here I am at Kompressor Gas, and this is the demonstration vehicle. And what is it? It's
AMG 5.5 compressor, E-class estate.
E-class estate, and the gas conversion's on here just purely to show people the performance and what they can do with the gas these days. So if you're interested in a high performance car on LPG, this is the one. So we're going to take it for a quick test drive and show you the performance.
I'm a little scared, you know, even if police gets that video, they will just do it.
Yeah. Okay, here we go. I'm with the founder of the company, and it is Profess Gas, and I'll put the details on at the end of the video. Holy shit.
When it's still within speed limit, so 60.
Now that is like a rocket fuel.
Retails about £15,000. Well, that's an AMG, that's a proper AMG.
AMG, yeah.
Proper AMG suspension, 6-spot front calipers. So that's really, you know, extraordinary performance and braking ability.
Yep.
Good turn round, this little bit of dual carriageway.
Yeah.
Lovely weather, dry.
Dry, which is nice. So use an acceleration test on it now, and we'll just go for the, and here we go.
On the straight. And the braking is easy.
And the braking. Now that is pretty impressive. And
for a reason it's called a safety car on Formula 1.
That's right, yeah, Formula 1 safety car.
Yeah. Now we go back to the work.
Yeah, excellent. So we're going to have a little look at the tank now. And a little bit of everyday stuff.
Yes, it's an everyday car.
And here we go. There's the tank.
That's
Nicely neat and put away.
94 litre tank.
Fantastic.
Takes about over 80 litres. Originally it was a 7-seater.
Yep.
That's why you've got these seat belts still at the back. But they removed that bench, that seat, and we fitted a 94 litre tank instead. So,
excellent. So here's the details for Profess Auto Gas LPG conversions. I'll leave this on at the end of the video so you can write the details down if you need to.